Get into the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, passenger adjustable lumbar, tow hitch, running boards. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.